13 leaves from the 13 leaves of the 25 leaves of the one of the directions is now this unforgetting sort of world system, which is the basis of the emanation body.
Tela Dongshen Chicken Zabuli, Donsung Kinjiro, Dina Zabuli, Chiva, Chaja, Lubali Chiva Traja, Rira Chiva Traja, Linjilin, Chun Doni, Chiva Traja Yoga, that don't give me Parmenji, then Kansi wanted to take you, that is Sanji Sama Sanji Micho, Lulu Chatoya, Yomari.
And in that unforgetting the world system, then there are millions of the eastern continent, western continent, and northern continent, and southern continent, which are beyond our the comprehension.
Oh yeah,
that's all for this morning.
Shije Chungan Jega Ludu, Gasamela Jinju, Shisun, Tabi Beji Lamisi, Kusun Tushu, Neju. Pontu, but then the Lacha says, Good Tomat, so Tibetan, two tempered Neju.
So we're still on the offering. That first one is that prostration and having the request to the gurus to remain for a long time, and then follows the prostration and which begins on the third verse. Your mind, your intelligent mind comprehends the vast range of object knowledge, and your speech, the good explanation, is the ear, ornament for those good fortune, and your beautiful body, which is the right with the glory of fame. And to you whom to behold, here remember is meaningful postage is that seeing the body and then and seeing the body and hearing the speech of the guru and remembering him, and then we should make the prostration.
Shije Chungan Jega Ludu Tus, Shije Chun de la Shijalia, Chu Tamji, and Chu de la Gozu de Davani Yori. Gada Deva Gozu de Vani. Shijala Jana Shija Chungun Jes, the Shija Chun Tamje, two be Chashe Jigin Jebe.
And the first one is now follows the good quality of the mind, and saying that the mind understands both all the objects of knowledge. There are two kinds of objects of knowledge. One is conventional objects of knowledge, and two is ultimate objects of knowledge.
Gozo Demba, Sama Jega Padella, Gozo Demba, and a Jiji Jana, Gonzo Guchu, Pombo Jimosunda, Pombo the Miba, Pombo ticket, Tonya Tongomai. Pombo Raji Maruba, Tonya the Miba Gudu, Tonya Mosunda Tomba Gudu, Tonji Pombo de Tongomai. Remerge, Tonya Mosunda Toyo, Gonzo Nova Lado, Gonzo Nova Yomari. Gozo now told you, don't yet Mosun to Tokyo. Look at Tonya Mosu told you, Mosun Betonia, Minano. They had the Caressana. She did Divamamosa, she did, she did the Jimmy, she did turn Samala, Yamato.
And until we achieve enlightenment, and then we cannot understand or comprehend the conventional and ultimate truths simultaneously, and until we are enlightened, and then we see the conventional objects and emptiness totally different. When we see a conventional object, for instance, form, and then we don't see the emptiness. When we see the emptiness, then we don't see the basis of empty form. And it is when we when we achieve enlightenment, and at that time then we see the conventional object form and its emptiness directly, and the reason we cannot see the object of knowledge and conventional and ultimate truths directly. and simultaneously, because we have not eliminated the objects, the obscurations to the omniscience.
nyamube driba shije driba marasu dini ba shas driba ni chebaredi shije driba tela shije rawa china chaba chiksha pe lo su yo da nyamuge driba tela o sanya juda ni ni shula so sha shije rawa zonze shije rawa tela nyoju driba ji jabi nyoju driba sha de shije rawa ri shije chamode ba sha de 시리 바샤디 시리 참으리 제가 소자용도 요목이 저바디 신다 소마시 요주기 저바디 지바다 소마시 시제 저바디 고샤도 소마이죠 또 나란도 또 주다 소나 지기 고rin지 고샤 지바 신제도 매 시다 매다 저셔로스 저라마게都主有都具有都具的都主都松都精神你苗木的这个新的这个就看些有这个这个资本的资本家下边说的现下的系统的些世界这个国家的一共比头一些的比不起来些呢不定数
and there are various the delusions or obscuration to liberation, and there are the two the types of obscurations to omniscience. One is the gross and the subtle, and the gross obscurations to omniscience known as obscurations of the absorption, and the subtle obscuration to omniscience increase of the delusions, and there are various delusions, so it is obscuration and liberation, such as the 20 secondary delusions and the delusions, and these are the obscurations to the liberation, and within these the obscurations to liberation, and then there are various, some are gross, some are subtle, and then it is the subtle, the obscuration to the omniscience to the gross and subtle, and the gross one is the obscurations of absorption, and the subtle obscurations to omniscience is the influence of the delusions, and some of these the delusions, obscurations to omniscience are the more difficult to abandon than the other obscuration to the omniscience.
nyamube sabende nyamuge jibade nyamuba zawade sabende bu mato no penge yo mari ko yaji yongyo ndena nyamu sabende je zaje chu zaje shinje jin shinje garsa ndena nyamu sabende ta luge midu o nyamuba de sabende no sabende made ba jana yaga loma jejana oge sabende yo no sabende de yo no sabende ji yongure zawade made ba shinge yaga jeshana 야가지 우리 자유는 준신세 신 준바디 신 렘바티 신 렘바게 야가지다 제니 자유는 지용거래 그래서 영무가 자와 사면 마보는 영무대 양주 지용 인사 영무가디 신나 신들이 그 야지요 그래서 영무가 방고 셔봐라 자와도 보마 도시 영무대 양주 지용 영무가 사면 맞다 영주고 디바디 가려서나 nyongju jibade tane nyongju goyo tane nyongju gosu zoji samden ji zomeji sit de gobe nyongju je goyo gobe de nyongju jiba goyo sande dabu to niba ma to baru jiba ji yo niba da somba baru ji yo somba jiba da zome je zome sit to ne gonyo ma to baru jiba ji yo de jiba re jane de ziba na jere 记得连年节节下看着不见，节节下边收入去，只不节下边收入去的，对娘就个就，世界这个实际的个人是那个相当崇高是，国老公的个收入去，实际的，国老个头部就国内如果真实的不是怕到的通过来的，你怎么通过要嘛的， todo trouble to go there, the Coton to Chile, the trouble to go there, Zoo, Shaja, Zoo Chichon, Picatongi or Shaja Moriguma, which you shall. There is a and the dog road, the door soon, Niabujaya, the Jiggy, Nyamu, Saban, Savani, done by Hinza. The Nyamu Savani Jobich, in the Nyamu to be Savani Job, one way. Which up, Zebadi sheet on book and Zeba machine, and Pico Leguma down, Zeba Jeje, there are no Zeba sheet on the Zulu. Jordan beat the sheet, made the Jordan sheet, she shivered. Beta said, Cocha Conadio, you won't be Shana. Shall to that was the Java in that they give a baby, shall master, shall not to other and she divided bone to son, Nello di Gemato, Shajamato. Queen Peru drinking Kulokus. Temavangado, Shajamata Mato is a Suganello Gematon, some Java. Suganello, Connecticut neve. Nello de Consul Consundo Tondi, Damato, Dodamo Sundo Tondi Consumeto. Deni Rijuce, Deni Chipe, Nadu Monsundo Tongio Mare, Sanja Soni Monsundo Tongio. There is a Shija Chungo Jeva Lutu, Shija Chama Libo, Consul de Dodam Chama Libo, Monsundo Jeva Longa in Bella, and Shija Chama Jeva Lutu, Sanja, two the chance in you, so a chamber.
And these delusions cannot be delusions cannot be removed completely if we try to eradicate the seeds of the delusion. So the delusions are now like the tree, and then this obscuration to liberations are likened to that cloth you wear. And the reason the cloth is like cloth is like the reason the obscuration to omniscience is like cloth is that even if someone wears very thin cloth, but we cannot see the body of the person that they're wearing directly, because there is a very thin kind of cloth between the eye and the person's body. So this the obscuration to the obscuration to omniscience is like a very fine and thin, very thin cloth. So until we remove these obscurations to the omniscience, then we cannot see and realize the true truths, conventional ultimate truths directly and intuitively. And also for this before we eliminate these obscurations to the omniscience, we see the conventional truths and its emptiness separately and differently. Even if we realize the conventional truths directly, or even if we see emptiness directly, so it is when we reach the enlightenment of Buddhahood, where we can see the conventional truths and ultimate truths directly and simultaneously. So the first line of this first line of the third verse, saying your intelligent mind to comprehend the vast range of objective knowledge, is principally praised to the wisdom or the knowledge of the Karpas and the mind, among other the good qualities. So, this also the line that teaches that so how we should remove the two the obscurations.
And
the next is your speech of good explanation is the ornament for those of good fortune. And this line refers to Tsongkhapa's the speech, principally saying that his speech is the ornament for those who are bodhisattvas or for those who are of good fortune.
Soya yala chuchu han soya yala ngata denpa yindu chochi tindere la nyi suni sung su nyenbe nyembari yuba saba lebe chunta chewa shishi namba shiba gyurwa tangmi chawa sharu be tindere sung tindala chuje tunda kari yine susu la goya be tunda dibe ludan tsamba shi nambari tela kwaji tigiri kasi ngewa kasi ngewa dibu zawa ni me keji yuwa 다나 이 가제 상도통에 그 서부 전에 배 과실 배 편도 침무용 이제와 인자 소리배 하장의 년부 레시 인자 레버시와 인자 소 년부 배 최대도 년와 하면서 배 레시가 소소다 년부요 제가 계산해서 자주신 거예요 제가 집이 자주신 거 소리배 나왜 견도 주고 아무도 나라 소도推버 사는 배 나제데 배 세기 제데 사시게 레시가 견도고요 그러나 암조의 세계 제다고도 암조 이공도 저기 있는 면에 관시티 우수 제시 등效果 제제 따라요 다 대지다고 추추지다 세로지다 주니 아그리 세 멤버지다 기고 처리지 세인다데 세 야부지에서 개체시 유유동 가지가 지 유의 소구동 전샤유는 유효도 비동 가지 이 전샤의 거지 전리 전생의 전지 더데 거지지 제가 거치 버려 거치 미친 생기 된다 요말이 다 도다샤는 거치 그래 안 좋아 야마 돌레레지 다샤는 거로 말이 버티 지고 서비 말이 안저 지고 사 가지 매봐 어디 세도 야부지를 무치 다위는 배여상 호랑이 거고요 제가 제기 된다 싶어요 대다가 이 사제의 송 여러분이 송집에 지고시 지 토용의 수수 미션버지 세 테네지 이머리 잡샤세 사마르 지요데 소디 고아상게 가지 나의 젠이다 그래서 나의 젠줄의 시송샤
And whoever that hears the speech of the Jetsankhapas, whoever hears the speech of good explanation of Jetsankapa, and then those will be very pleased and happy, and so the speech of Jetsankapa is and next is now that your beautiful body is radiant within the glory of the fame, and this means that the Jetsankhapa's body is not only radiant in a sense of the beauty, but also the Jetsankhapa's body is the result of two accumulations, the glory of the fame. Here we can also refer to the two accumulations of merit and wisdom.
소니 요소 조빈 제고 인상 아니 자베베제 하면 세번지대 손에 잡아셔야 되리 년배 받은 지대 손에 잡아셔야 년배 받은 지대 손에 잡아셔야 지대 손에 산제레스베 땀 년복 잡아 잠을 치마 말이 산제레 그 센트는 땀 미행에 요래디 네 소니게 되거든요 수다는 거에 되거든요 다가셔요 제가 예배 받은 지대 손에 잡아셔야 자베베제 하면지 보셔야 된다 지버리 자베베제 하면지 보고스다 고송 투송 연연지 송 또 전부터 내가 자세서 고통을 되네 송투버든 또 전부터 되지 제로 치게 고배지 미진 제주는 다다 요도요 아니 고는 저부진 제주 존에 다다 전부요 사제리 고생에 되게 뭐라서 고는 신자부지 세부 지다 마존에 도구도 신을 고샤는 저번에 지샤부지를 제니 사제리 고신 제와 있네 대바야 고전 좀 사제리 삼을 존나 알라라리 대바 마제버진 제니 다다 전부요.
And next is that to you whom to behold and hear and remember is meaningful. I prostrate, and if we behold the action of the body of Jetsankapa, if we hear the actual the speech of Jetsankapa, if you remember him, and then it's very worthwhile. Not only that it is very meaningful when we actually hear and the actual speech and actual the body of Tsongkhapa. Even if we see the statues of Tsongkhapa made of the clay, the wood, and so forth, and it plants many of the wholesome capacities. So it is very worthwhile and meaningful to see the statues of Tsongkhapa.
This was so Zimon Jeva, La Trujan, Sinja Tawa. Walking to Turbo to that, and the Ringes on the Joton. The Oshiba goes to Ziban, the Tija was in the Contra Service is done now, Sanja Georgi Yagi, the Sona Sato. Contra Mava Jeva, who goes to Jenny Treasure. Walking to Turbo to that, or the leg of Henry. Young careers and I was the somebody a woman, Giorgi Yamari. Sanja Kozun Jedu, Contra Sadin Jenny, Pemberton Yadi, she Pagi Yason. Shinga told them to Gizari. Shinga told them to Gizar, somebody a woman in the Rio. Kora your crombe, your imbas in Nangi, the corn and Chia, Jod Mahimba, Tabuto, Gizar Rio.
And in the sutta, it is said that if we see the statue or painting of the Buddha, and while we are getting angry, and then still it the plants the influence of seeing the 1 million Buddhas in the future, and the reason that we receive the many benefits of looking and seeing the statues or paintings of Buddha, even if we are very angry, is because of the strength of the object, and for this reason, and then we can also we can see the statues and body of Buddha. It plants many of the wholesome tendencies.
Today is our Sanja Kusu. Kashasala Chiala Gubatine, on the Berlin in the Yori. Langa than the Sadala, Berlin Memaina, Chimota Sierra, Sia, Babashan, Yamana, Kumapun, Torikin Dore. And Roy the Yaya and Lucaya Casad with the Yard, some son, Kujachi, the Sasu. Message. How the Negan Shindon Tina, you said with Tinella, Tibaja, Yamba, Dot Leleti. The Nekatu de la Bozo, Shinya took me the Guru, go to it in Sanji Kuzu Chinjai, Santam, De la Carissa, Kashagini, Peagus, Kashagi, Yasa, Sigim. Then you had the Caress, so Sayadis. Uncle Cabo General Tinegon, the music, they were translated to kill you. Young jazz and Sanjay put in Jedi, Gabu, there's a low she had in the wheel. And the regular military chain is on another you, nothing came up with such a no labor, and lot of Shina Sin and Rosala, Sanjay Pusu, Tija, children come you never know, or the leg won't do. Yagagi suggests was a silver inza. Mother Salanga, you such a good told in the society. Motor Mugu, Shina Sin Langa, you such a daughter of Desha. To say a short, because soya, years of soya, the Tavichani, in this river. Langa, the money to move to one day, Shola for a tender with Neta. Children sat on the Zudo, or the Zuba, Sijan, so the swing the Tavachan, Pizashoyagi, the Mijano.
And in Tibet, they built this kind of house where they can where the paintings of the Buddhas and so forth, and these are the houses of the paintings of Buddhas and so forth can be found on the way to on the roads, and if the travelers are really tired, and then they rest on these the houses, and it's very relaxing, and while they were relaxing and resting in the house on the road on a piece of the stone, and then they came in the statues or the paintings of the Buddha, and and when they are resting, then they can make the prostrations, and they can create other merits while looking at the statues and paintings of the Buddhas, and not only in Tibet, and also in Yemen, which is previously entered Tibet, now it's now it's entered India. So still we can see this kind of house of these paintings and chazas in order to create a merit for the travelers, and when these where you can find these houses of the paintings and maybe on the statues, on the stones, and this you can find in the forest where there isn't any the road to where there isn't the roads on which the buses can go, but all this have been built for the sake of creating marriage for the travelers. So it is very worthwhile, and then to see and look at the paintings of the different bodhisattvas.
Sanjay Song Leonala, Joe Mamusuna Sabi Shedo, Junjuki, Latula Constitutions. I need to some favors and Venice to Tula Constitutions, Lojime, or the Nemejinala, Memomusuna Sayat and Latula Combumo in the Langa station. I mean, begins to do my own day in order to tell you, Suna Savio. Suna Savio on the Tabachadun or Savio, Tabaki. Yarano Susu Tusan Lunian Payada, the thing is a boy of today in any, Mimios, Nova Abuchina, something ever in the Bonja Yahuyo, what the little car in so. The legend is Tula Consula Consiade, Carriers and the Tula Consul, Lacone, Picture shows, Conjure to the Sishan and Chachu in where some Jimmy Chavaki, Imari. Sula said, the Dodil cigarette. Solas, Temezula now so young singer with the Udo, Sola said, Sola constitute Ludita, Tevason the dinner, Jusa, choose Sola constitute. The day that is here, that day, you know, I also the shadow surely, Commodore Hadra today, to buy you show the ring, sorry, Saturday. I rejected by Tabachan Giori, Sabi, she told him Giori, Madomazuko, whatever means you Sabe Queen Giori, the Hayan Kabure. Gaja Samton Hachine, Koa de Wallace, Sindelish, Chesa, Tabag, what is that? Kawina, Hinala, the Kawi
and Buddha said, we should build these the houses of the paintings, or house paintings of the Buddhas in the two different places, and one is that we can build. We should build these paintings of the house of paintings or the viharas or temples on the road, so the travelers can see and they can create the merit, and also we can build these houses of paintings or the viharas in the forest in order to enhance one's merit and to develop one's contemplation and meditations. So there are two ways that we can build these viharas, one on these temples or houses for the Buddha's the paintings, one on the road, so where the travelers can see, and another is in the forest. So one does meditation, and also one can do circumambulations and so forth in order to enhance one's meritorious powers. And vihara, in Tibetan, vihara is the place or cathedral where you put the three kanjurus and the works of the Buddha, and the tsukla itself means that the works the works of the Buddha's teachings, and Kang is that the house of where we can store these Buddha's teachings. Kanju.
Pena Razu Sandong Cindy Shema, Cindy Samu Don the Sabi, Cindy turned out,
And so through the power of the object, we should then create the marriage, which becomes the cause of liberation. Otherwise, if we have to create virtues through our own motivation alone, it's difficult to create to become. It's difficult to create a marriage which becomes cause of liberation.
Sechima, Nasona Mando Sechi, Sechima Latami, the Opo, Toyade, Melilea, Halilea, that Samu Don the Sana, Chiochima, the language. Call it Reactive, Yuamare, call Koyaki, Yori.
And if we work for the sake of this for the sake of this life, and that this is dharma for this life, if we work for the sake of our future lives in order to obtain the human life or the deva life, and then we can achieve these things as we wish. But these are the working and concerning for just the future lives won't free us from samsara.
Call the Shimbalu Churchima, the Nason Allah, the Dino Hami Kuto, the call to make a rancher, Sana Goya Mendu. Some call it to Roger, call the Shimbalu, Ninjungu, Same Konan Sana, Tabatoyaki. What a Tabacho.
And thinking that it is insufficient for me to achieve samsara in the human body and devana body, but I need this the total liberation from samsara. So having developed this illusion with the samsaric things, and then if one if one creates the virtuous action with the motive of a thought definite living cycle existence, then that action becomes the action of achieving the liberation.
I also said the chat, Hama Pija the chat, no longer the chat. They give us a patch, Pemitomi. Jochima Sando Tone, the Hamiku on the chat, where the old chat. Doesn't have a to have a children Mendo. Goju Deva do Mechiaki. Goju Deva Ranga, which is a good day. Today is a single toilet and radio, Sanja Gozu Jaya, Rala Rama Leva, Kondus Savi Jane, Tabachadam Koiza.
And at the moment we find it difficult to practice dharma, which can become the cause of liberation. For instance, we are attached to this life. We are attached to our friends and relatives. We are attached to our future lives for the sake of our out of the desires attachment to this samsara marvelous. And then we create, we do practice dharma, but this dharma practice is very weak. But looking at the statues and of a Buddha and the deities, even out of the anger, this the action of the seeing the Buddha is then the cause or the action of reaching the liberation. So this way of creating the merit or achieving as a wholesome activities is the most profitable for us at the moment.
Shingu told them Giza is on the never on some of the above Kojumeza. Shingu told them Giza, the Shingu told them Mema is on, or Shingu told them Giza at the first. And Maras Simon Diego, the Delen Jay, Hemachumu, Shingu told them Giza, I did very civil and that
in his great exposition of the stages of the path, Tsongkhapa said, and the beings who cannot, who cannot contemplate properly, who cannot meditate on properly, and who cannot really do other wholesome activities in order to achieve that liberation. And for them, the best way of creating merit and gaining the wholesome activities is then by depending on the wholesome objects. So depending on wholesome objects like the statues of the Buddha and so forth, and then we should create more merit. This is most profitable for us to achieve creating a merit.
신기 토도 되면 기자 세야되라 타바 차촌 기자 소 토바 인자 타바 토야 기어리 대마 이마가도 삼바야 보면은 타로 토야 기자 소 마토 유무주 산제기 칠레 단디 저런서 신 패면데 무시 이네 셰자도 기신 수가 더로 제이고 산제기 칠레 되라 산제기 신예고 더마도 고마 제야요 말이 신제기 더 샤단 제고
and through the by relying on and on the
산제기 칠레 제야 되라 제 이자도 소마
and by relying on the objects or the sacred objects, then we can create a marriage, and they are through depending on the objects of the objects, then we can create many wholesome marriage. For instance, there are the 27 enlightened activities of the Buddha. And the first one is peaceful
다 소나무를 먹고는 소나무죠. 다바 차는 비기자를 그거 되게 어디에 저기 다바 도하고 주지를 소마도 거는 거야로는 제야 될 상식을 제 연주를 해야 미다샤요 말이지.
And the peaceful activities or peaceful actions up to this leading to nirvana, and the peaceful action then begins from. Then this the part of the accumulation, which is the 5 parts.
장시 심어 속에 제대로 제로를 장시 심어 속에 메도나 제로 되라이네 패다 되었고 자들대요 메페 메자고 소요도 메네 패터가 되어진 지죠 팽규연에 메되어 있는 마제죠 그래서 그것이 팽규연에 콜레베 디베조를 메노메 메고 있는데 템 제목을 현재 말해서 자 아주 하마고 현재 레스드 메레지 배 가람 패패 배다 그러시면 배디단데 오늘로 제 현재 이미 그제 메르로 제 천시를 위한 이미 그제 어레디 디바던 배 메고를 자르서는 패발에는 시지 용구요래 데스도 패다 디와 관이 자데 패양 늘어 메자고 손도 당에 지디 좀게 데 너무 지가 나요 너무 지가 정신을 더 줬던 것이 너무 여가 또지 강호는 하고요 나가 계시도 손도 다시 보면도 내마게 지금도 요소야
and
아니 저시에 메리 야자베 자사도 이셔야지 나 근데 냐ገል인데 교토 고고 저제 산제기 지내기 도마된 누나 쉬어야던 시야들이 아니 디셔가 제어레디 누나 쉬어야던 거기 고고만 아이 다 그건 누나 쉬던 거보다 세야 맞는 소나는 맞으나 시제는 사준이 야제니 인트레 먹고서 아마 이봐야지 모두 거기도 거야 저 산제기 지내 잠깐 지요 여마도 다 주의 시에 먹어지 아까 내가 저한테 교신에서 계속 지세요 And
you can understand this the 27 enlightened activities gradually because I heard that you are doing the studies, so you can learn and you can understand these 27 enlightened activities.
and tension zobu chona jungja chisalta 그게 아시겠다 대전에 기시스 강신바 순신 부르스 대마도 자치무 시주 가버렸다 먼저 계사디 시전 돈도 점어든 라차세다 그런 거에 대해서야 통화되는 저거든 점어든데 돈도 점어 고 통화되는 애세 저게 다들 대신 고 통화되는 사실 고 제와서 고 레모트와 선생제나요 전다 요송을
So it is said just to behold, just to see the body of a Buddha or even the paintings is very worthwhile and meaningful.
어디서 전시 군 대어로 시험을 주는 신다 베이지 신의 보면 지어리티 이 고고마 해면 하면서 그러면 타바 찾는 게 어디 뭐 조만 지원을 뭐 그다 쓰게 조만이 미리 단지 와 조만을 가르치는 장심이
And there was no one in the lay, the person called Kinta and Belge. One of his the former lives was the one was Ant. Roma.
샤바지 도는 조마 추이 개로 추이 개니 최대지게 나가도 미주 고라 고다라가 공공이 못 와. 제나도 아주로 쇼. 저는 최대지를 조마지 고르지 고야. 추이 개로.
And then the one day at the ant was carried by by water and then that the water the circumambulate this stupa by an accident.
그 고르제고 삼아요 뭐 추이킨 거래. 에 아이오디 고강사래 이거 뭐 이머와 마용 카메라와 코레성이 왜서 고르지기. 바바지월에도 상호 너고 상호 대리 치동 도니 치대용니 아니 주변에 치대용자 야의 세공도 걸고 세공스 그 사사치다 루자사지 공부도 들리고 거르지 거르지 기와티니마도 요마를 타고 찾는 게 기와
and that ant has no the motivation, didn't have any motivation of making the circumambulations around that stupa, but by accident that ant was managed to circumambulate, and that was the one and the root, virtuous roots of achieving liberation. At another time, the same the lay person was reborn as a pig, and then the pig was digging something, and it was chased by a dog, and again by accident that a pig managed to circumambulate Tsatsa Tsakang, so is that the house for the Tsatsa small statues. So this is the virtuous roots of achieving liberation for that ant. So altogether they were only the two the virtuous roots of achieving liberation for the former lives of this lay person called Kinta Bagye.
네, 코멜루자는 만에 버터로 샤다를 쩨베 왜 무시라 쳔바리. 아니, 단데 신다 베이징 해만데 그런 저 해만데 추세래.
And it took a long time to achieve the human body, and just the previous life of the taking birth as a layman called Kinta Bagye, and then Kinta Bagye was reborn as a crocodile.
추세 냠이 그리스도 지임을 추세 전부 쉬우지. 총받주 주도는 노을에 가르도 한 추세 로자니에 되고요. 니 지세 용도 주고 도서 가야 되는데 추난도 수용자 추강가 가나라 쇼로 수용고요래. 아 가마디 추파려자 소샤 가가는데 마음이샤 야마니 고되고요. 고 가다오는 추세는 용자 그 주도는 총받이 가는 쇼려지. 대나는 자가고 총받이 바바 망가바 친시제 깨지. 망가바 생각이 자가 배송을 야가도 줘요. 라마치. 대체주 추진되게 되어. 망가바 시오세야 망가바 센트에서 대체력이 그 가중샤. 그로도 바이도 가야도 줘요 말이. 가중 시송. 그 백년에서 진짜 베이지를 줘도 밀려내. 망가바 센트에 쟁게.
And that crocodile, the slept, even for 100 eons. Once he got food, that crocodile was so huge, and while he was opening his mouth, then many other the animals like fish and so forth can go through that mouth like in a house. And once there were many the animals, and then that the crocodile closed his mouth, then he ate that, and then he remained with the sleep for many days, many months. And at one end of the day, and then 100 merchants came across through the sea, and then there was some risk for that Indian the merchants, and then they cried out, calling the one Indian pantis name, saying, "Oh, Mangapa, you know, and just hearing and then just hearing and the name of that the Indian teacher, and then he that crocodile they closed his mouth and then he died.
And for middle and Mesa Trumway, middle and the Lord Jesuson, or Gamo, Lord Jesu, and now Mr. Kodiabama, Korea Pugu Musubi, Mawada Namadabuku, Nana, Kangalobi, Hello, Gobuton, or the Dobishrajas, and the bed Lama Kene, Madu, Tolukashi. I'm looking to use my big woman, yep, Yomaju. I'm going to do the before.
And in his next life, that crocodile was replaced him being called Peggy, and when he was about 18 years old, and then his the children, boys and girls, treated him very badly. He was